Hey guys, it's Sam with WTI. I am here to tell you about the best maternity robe ever, robe in general really. This is the Motherhood Maternity Sleep Robe in black. This robe is a lifesaver if you are a new mom and you just had a baby. Having a robe in the hospital is just such a nice solution because you can easily cover up and it's just so cozy. My son is now 2 years old and I still wear this robe. I love it. It's very easy to put on. If you can see, it has a nice tie to get you all wrapped up there. It has so much extra coverage here to make sure you're nice and modest. One thing that's a lifesaver is it has pockets. We love anything with pockets. Another thing I really like is it has this super cute detailing here just to help you feel a little bit more pretty. When you have a baby, you need anything extra like that. So this is such a cozy robe. I literally still wear it now and I love it. And so if you're a new mom and you're looking for something extra for you, I definitely recommend this. Or if you're looking to buy a gift for someone who is becoming a new mom, this is definitely something they will appreciate. And that is my point of view.